How to find uninstalled apps from Play Store. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can find the uninstalled apps from your Play Store, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you happen to have some of the applications that you might have deleted and then you want to find those uninstall history, then open your Play Store and then tap the profile icon from the top right. Then go to the option called Manage Apps and Devices. As you do that, again just go to this option called Manage from the very top, and these are basically all of the app history that you have currently installed. But if you want to find the ones that are currently not installed, or maybe you uninstalled it, then just look at the Install tab over here. Then from the bottom you'll find an option that says not installed, so go to not installed, and these will show you the list of applications that you might have previously installed and uninstalled and that are currently not in your device. So these are the ways you can actually find the uninstall history. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.